What's good, what is good, my sizers? We're back again with another video, and today I'm so excited because we are here at the Excalibur and I'm about to show you guys a standard room in their royal tower. Let's get into it. When we first walk in, immediately to the left, we're greeted by the bathroom. There is one sink, there is the toilet, your towel rack, and it is a stand-in shower. Ooh, I just ran into the toilet. And they also provide you with shampoo and body wash and a little shelf to put your bar soap there. Also, something I want to point out is this right here in the bathroom. This is hand wash and body lotion, and this sign right here says that these are provided for your room and not necessarily you. So if you take these with you when you leave, that you will be charged a $25 per bottle taken to your guest room folio. So basically you can't take these when you leave. So that's definitely something to note. But here is the mirror. You have some wall decor there. And then if we leave the restroom, that is your conjoining door. And then here on the left side is a closet. And as you can see, it's a sliding door. So if you push that back, you have hangers, a top shelf, your ironing board and the iron, your safe, and the thing for your luggage. Does anyone know what this is called? Please tell me in the comments, because I don't even know how to Google what it's called. But I've been doing these room tours for so long, you would think I know what it's called. On the right here, you also have a full-length mirror. And then on the left, you have two queen-size beds right here. And this is your TV. And you have the dresser here. It is 3 drawers on this side. They look pretty deep, so you could fit all your stuff in there. You have 3 drawers on this side. And then, of course, I can't open that one. I don't know if I closed that one correctly. And then, of course, you have, all right, I don't know how to open this one either, but this is a shelf, I gotta assume, because I see one handle. Don't know how to open it, so that's interesting. But you also get a desk, or a table, your nightstand. And then for the headboard, for the headrest, you can see like there's lights over there. And so this is the light switch for the recessing light up here. See, turn on, off, and that is right there. So you have that, and then you also have the reading lights over there. And that is just this little nozzle that you flick on and off. So technically you're supposed to flick this on and off, but it's not turning on. So we'll see. And then this is our view. So this is the roof. I don't think you are able to open up the windows. Yeah, because that's just a straight drop right there. But yeah, so this is our view. So we're like in the middle of, we're looking at the middle of the castle, basically. And yeah, this is the room as a whole. Table, chair, dresser, TV, mirror. There's not a lot of wall art, which I actually kind of like. It makes it simplistic to look at. All right, you guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have ever stayed at the Excalibur and what your guys' experiences were, or anything of the sort. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Toodles!